How to join someone on Roblox without being their friend. This tutorial shows you how to do it on PC. First, open your browser and go to roblox.com, then log into your account. From there, use the search bar to look up the username of the person you want to join. After that, tap on their profile and check if a join button is visible. At this point, if the join button is there, simply tap it and you'll be dropped straight into whatever game they're currently playing. However, if you don't see the join button, it means that player has their join settings set to private, so you'll need a different approach. From there, open a new tab in your browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. Following this, search for Row Searcher in the search bar and find the extension from the results. After that, click Add to Chrome and then click Add Extension to install it. Once the extension is installed, go back to that player's profile on Roblox. From here, Row Searcher will add a join button to their profile, even if their settings are private, allowing you to jump into their game directly. Finally, click Join and you should be in their game within seconds. Keep in mind that this only works if the player is currently active in a game. If they're offline or on the main menu, the join option won't be available regardless of the method you use. That's how you join anyone on Roblox without adding them as a friend. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next one.